Alright guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video we'll be taking you through the daily Cipher Morse code for today. Alright, so the very first letter in this is A, tap, hold, and then the next one is L, tap, hold, tap, tap, and then the next one is G, hold, hold, tap, and then the next one is O, hold, hold, hold. Argo. Congratulations guys, you just claimed your daily Cipher 1 million bonus. Alright, see you in the next video. In case you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. Alright, peace out.